Imagine standing at the edge of nothingness, darkness all around, silence so complete it's almost deafening. Suddenly, in the vastness of this early universe, something spectacular happens. A swirling cloud of dust and gas collapses under its own gravity, and from the chaos a star is born, our sun. But that's just the opening act. Around our newborn sun, a cosmic dance begins. Debris, rocks, ice, metals spiral and crash together, creating colossal explosions in the void. Over millions of years, these bits and pieces fuse, growing larger with every collision until a giant molten ball starts taking shape. This is Earth, but not as we know it. Picture a world of fire and fury. The surface is a blazing ocean of magma, volcanoes erupt non-stop, the sky glows red with molten rock raining down. Temperatures soar above 2,000 degrees, nothing but chaos and fire everywhere you look. From space, Earth glows like a tiny ember, battered by constant asteroid impacts, some so massive, they melt the entire surface all over again. One day, a Mars-sized object slams into the young planet with unimaginable force. The debris from this collision eventually forms our moon, forever changing Earth's fate. But here's the wild part. All this destruction is actually setting the stage for life. While the surface cools, volcanoes belch out steam and gases, slowly forming our first atmosphere. Rain begins to fall for the very first time, transforming fire into oceans. It's hard to imagine, but out of these fiery beginnings, the building blocks for everything we know were forged. Every rock, every drop of water, every living thing, all of it traces back to this epic, chaotic origin. So next time you walk outside, take a moment to look up and remember. This calm blue world started as a hellish inferno, shaped by cosmic collisions and endless fire. And yet, here we are. Our planet's chaotic birth is a reminder. Even the wildest beginnings can lead to something truly extraordinary.